How can I make money from Google Ads and how can I get started with no experience? Um, you can't make money if you haven't got any experience, unfortunately, with anything in life. If a sports player has got no experience, he will not get selected and be paid the big bucks, will he? He needs to get that experience under his belt. He needs to perform, and then he's going to get those big contracts. And the same thing with anything in life. It's not just Google Ads. You need to get that experience under your belt. Show them the proof, social proof. People want, oh, what can you do for my business? Well, I've done this, I've done that, I've got all these video testimonials, I've got reviews on Facebook, Google My Business, YouTube, and so on. And then people are going to take um, notice of you, take you more seriously, and then you'll be able to make money. So if you haven't got any experience, I would recommend that you start off as an intern with some company, learn Google Ads as much as you can. We are always learning. Look, I don't know anything. Like I said earlier on, that if somebody knows if a campaign can be extended or not, um, put it in the comment. There's no shame. Nobody can know everything. And you need to do the same thing. Get started and focus on learning first, work hard, and then the money and the dollars is going to follow.